Want to watch your friends pop off in Valorant instead of just hearing about it? Here's the quickest way to jump into their game. First, launch Valorant and head to the main lobby. Look to the right side of your screen. That's your friends list. If your friend is online, you'll see their name with a little status icon. Green means they're ready. Yellow means they're in a game. To join their squad, click their name and hit the request to join or invite to party button that pops up. Once they accept, you'll see yourself in the same party at the bottom of the lobby screen. Boom, you're in their lobby. Now they can start a match, and you'll load in with them. Perfect if you want a front row seat while still playing. Want to just watch, not play? If custom games are enabled, your friend can create a custom lobby and add you as a spectator. In the custom lobby, there's a spectator section. They just drag your player card down there, and you're officially watching the match. When the game starts, you'll load into spectator mode. You can swap perspectives, fly around the map, and watch every clutch close-up. If you're in their party but not spectating, you can still catch the action after. Ask your friend to save their replay or share a VOD from their stream. Not sure what's happening on screen? Watch the top bar for the round score and check the minimap to see where the action's going down. Launch Valorant, find your friend, join their party or hop into spectator, and you're ready to watch every insane play live.